Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
lọ́n ẹ̀rù tọ́fẹ́ sin Mohbad sí o tọ́fẹ́ sin Mohbad sí re o tọ́fẹ́ sin sí re o ọlọ́run ajé tọ́fẹ́ sin sí re o ẹ̀rí àwọn èèyàn ajé òun re o tọ́fẹ́ sin sí re o.
Hello guys, I'm here to just to though I'm not happy saying this, I'm not happy at all, but we have to keep our audience updated. Now let's go. 10 things you need to know about late Oladimiji Aloba, popularly known as Mohbad. Singer Ilerioluwa Oladimiji, popularly known as Mohbad, died at the age of 27 on Tuesday, September 12, 2023. Here are the 10 things you need to know about him. Mohbad was born in Lagos on June 8, 1996. He was a Nigerian rapper, singer, and songwriter from Lagos State. He completed his primary and secondary school education in Lagos. He was considered one of the rising stars in Nigerian music industry as his fan base continued to grow. He was formally signed to Naira Marley's Malian Records but left the label in 2022. He released his debut album Light EP in the fourth quarter of 2020 as a follow-up to his viral song Momo, which featured Naira Marley and Likesh. He was best known for his hit singles Momo, Feel Good, and Kokoke, with Rexy, which was nominated 3 times for the Eddies Award 2022. Mohbad had collaborated with several artists including Davido's Latan, Oladip's Small Dr. Lee Kesh, Bella Shmurda, Ifrush, amongst others. Mohbad was known for his streetwise and relatable lyrics that often touch on everyday life and experiences. Bella Shmurda once said he was battling mental health. May his soul rest in perfect gentle peace. Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.